Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF, has issued a bold statement in response to South African opposition leader Mmusi Maimane's warning that they will be the next to fall after Botswana's recent election outcome. Farai Marapira, ZANU-PF's Director of Information, declared that removing them from power won't be easy.
Well, Mmusi Maimane is the quintessential ideological descendant of Amos Raka, the slave who refused to relinquish his slavery status after the wars in the United States. These people with a mindset like Mmusi Maimane cannot fathom and believe that blacks are doing their own thing in Zimbabwe, blacks are rebuilding their own country, and they want to keep on perpetuating a narrative of a Zimbabwe which is a pariah state, a Zimbabwe which is on its knees, a Zimbabwe which is not progressive. This does not work. What we urge people like Mmusi Maimane is to get in touch with the real needs of the South Africans so that he can be relevant. Maybe if that happens, you will stop being relevant in newspapers and newsrooms and be relevant where politicians matter most. That is with the people and with the ballot. Otherwise, he's just another person whistling in the wind, seeking relevance by speaking of ZANU-PF. We understand we give some of these irrelevant people relevance, like Mmusi Maimane, but I think he needs to check himself and correct himself. It's okay for him to dream. It's his democratic right to think as he will, no matter how stupid his thoughts may be. ZANU-PF is not going anywhere. ZANU-PF will be here today. ZANU-PF will be here in 2028 because we continue to fulfill the needs of our people. We continue to satisfy the dreams of our people. And that is what gets people into office, not shouting from newsrooms and other things like that. I think that's what he needs to learn. We wish him best in trying to be part of the machinery that unseats us. But of course, in advance, our condolences, because 2028, the people of Zimbabwe will vote for us again. And simply because we are the party that delivers. We are the party that fulfills the aspirations of our people. We are the party that understands the mandate of the Zimbabwean people. And we remain relevant whether Mmusi Maimane or not.